Hey guys, what's up? Here we have a winner chicken dinner. Happy Easter. What do we do on Easter? We look for eggs, so we are gonna go look for that little egg. So this is my Easter session. We're doing $15 of the winner chicken dinner. Let's get started. So here we gotta match the winning number, or like I said, find the egg for double the prize. So let's get started now. 3 or an egg. Let's look for that egg. I haven't found it. Hopefully we'll find it today for Easter. 18. Give me that egg. Oh, we had one match. Let's see if we can find anything else. Okay, one match for $2. All right, we're on board. $2. A 12 or an egg. Give me an egg. Give me an egg. Give me an egg. Ah, next one. 13 or an egg. Come on, it's Easter. Be nice. Nope. 2 or an egg. No. So on the first 5, we only have that $2 win right there. So far, $2. Not bad. Here we go. Next ticket. Next 5. 14 or an egg. Oh, we got a match right there. See, we got anything else? Nope, just one match for $3. Got $5 back. All right. 7 or an egg. Nope. Nope. Next one. 8 or an egg. Give me the egg. Give me the egg. Damn it. No luck finding the egg so far. Okay, we got a one match right there. Okay, 4. $1. All right, in this second 5, we have the $3 here and the $1, so that's 4. Right? Okay, these are our last 5 tickets. Hopefully we can find an egg. 17 or egg. Nope. 1 or egg. How hard is it to find a damn egg? Okay, we got one match there for another $1. All right. Let's see if we can get back-to-back wins. Nope. Last ticket. Last ticket to find an egg. Give me that egg, you little chicken. Okay, here we go. And we didn't find the egg. So we have a total of 1 plus 3, that's 4, plus 1, that's 5, plus 2, that's 7. Well, almost half back. So that's not that bad. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Remember, check your tickets and good luck. Happy Easter. Bye.